Hello students, very good morning to you all once again. This one is the second class on meta characters in regular expressions. That means this one is the totally fourth class on regular expressions in Python. This is the fourth video lecture. In the last video lecture we discussed about the caret, meta character, dollar, as well as in square bracket we need to write some characters in order to match, as well as we looked at some programming examples also in the last class. In the last class I taught you whether that word begins with 2BL or no, as well as we extracted the date from the given string, we extracted the year from the given string. This is what I taught you in the last class. In today's class I teach you some more remaining regular expressions as well as some more examples. Once again I revise for you what is a regular expression. And as we know already, we write regular expressions to match the given pattern, whether that pattern is there or no in the given string. Let us assume this is a string. If you want to live a happy life, comma, tie it to a goal, comma, not to people or objects. Okay. Now whether this string starts with the pattern if, yeah. Whether this string starts with the pattern CTS, yeah. Whether this string is having any word with 4 characters followed by comma, yeah, goal. Okay. In this string any pattern is there, one character preceded by space sign followed by space, yeah, A. Like that, while developing softwares we need to search the pattern. In that situation we need to write regular expressions. This is what I explained in the last class. In interview they may ask you the question, what are regular expressions in Python while working with the string? Expected answer by the interviewer from the candidate is this one. Dear sir, in order to search the pattern for its existence in the given string, we need to write different regular expressions supported by Python. If you give the answer like this with some examples, definitely the interviewer will be happier, because of which you may get a job also. Thank you. I start today's class. In the last class I studied all these things. Okay, see here I explain all these regular expressions first, and in the last class I explained caret, that string needs to match with the given pattern. The string needs to match with 2BL. The string needs to end with HI. This is what I explained in the last class. It matches any single character in brackets. It matches hello, that starts with H also, hello, that starts with small h also. Okay, I hope you might have remembered. Whether the string starts 2BL, yeah, if so we do something. Whether the string ends with HI, if so we do something. Whether the string matches with any one of the character, small h then hello, or capital H and then hello, like that. And if you use caret, what happens? It matches other than the given characters inside the brackets. It matches any single character which is not present in brackets. That means it matches consonants, not vowels. It matches anything other than lowercase a, e, I, o, u. This is what. RE star means what? RE is a character. Already we know. S star means what? The string that starts with S. Now can you tell me in this string any string starts with G? G star? G star means only goal. Y star? Y star means Y, O, U. That's all. W star? Only one. Okay. A star. A star means what? Single A is there as well as single A is there. Okay. Here what I write? I write A star. Matches 0 or more occurrences. 0 means that might be there or may not be there. 0 occurrences. That might be there or may not be there. More occurrences of regular expression. RE star. See the example. A hyphen Z. It will match 0 or more occurrences of lowercase characters. It matches only the word that starts with the lowercase. One character or 2 or more, or that may be there, that may not be there. Okay. RE plus, here star has been used, asterisk has been used, here plus has been used. Matches one or more occurrences of regular expression. It matches not 0 occurrences. It matches compulsory 1 occurrences. One must be there. Matches 1 occurrences. Zero occurrences means what? A to Z may be there or may not be there, but compulsory A to Z must be there. One occurrences is compulsory. Try to understand the meaning of zero matches zero occurrences and matches one occurrence. Matches zero occurrence means what? For example, I'll give not is there. Okay, if I write n star, I get not. Okay, if I write n star, I got. If I write h star, what do you mean by h star? Hot. Instead of not, n star means not, h star means hot. If I write h star and matches zero or more occurrences of regular expression, we need to write the program and check it. Sorry. Okay. Now RE plus 1. That means it will match one or more occurrences of lowercase. Compulsory one character must be there. Question mark matches 0 or 1 occurrences of regular expression. That means book question mark. Here you will come to know what do you mean by 0 occurrence and 1 occurrence. See here. Okay, very good. Book question mark. If you write the pattern like this, what happens do you know? It will search for book also and followed by any of the character also. That means it matches book as well as books. This is what 0 occurrences or 1 occurrences. It may be there or may not be there. That is what 0 matches 0 or 1 occurrences. If it is there, no problem. No, then also no problem. Like that. Hot means what? Just only I was explaining. No, H star. H may be there or may not be there. It will locate not. H star. But if you write H plus, it searches for hot only. Understood? Shall I repeat once again? If I write H star is not there. Starting with H, no. Okay. But 0 occurrences, it will match not. But if I write H plus, matches compulsory H must be there and more occurrences of regular expression. That means A hyphen Z plus means compulsory one lowercase character followed by other characters. But here star means these that word may start or may not, like that. I hope you understood. RE question mark. Next one is REN means what? Matches n or more occurrences of regular expression. 42 and in flower bracket 1 comma means this flower bracket is before flower bracket 2 is there. Compulsory 2 must be only once. 2 must be 2 must be 1 times or more times. That means it will match 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 or any number more than 2's between 4 and 5. To understand this example, first I explain you the program, then only you understand, otherwise you will not understand. Okay, I explain you the program. Now we write on program. A program that validates a mobile number. Oh, very interesting program. As we know already, mobile number will have 10 digits. Okay. Now I want to one list I have. In that list I have some mobile numbers and other numbers also. But I want to locate only those mobile numbers that starts with 7 or 8 or 9. Okay, the mobile number that starts with 7 or 8 or 9 and compulsory 10 digits must be there. Then how do you search? Here regular expressions we use. Hey, try to understand the question. One list we have, in that list we have some numbers and mobile numbers are also there. Locate only the mobile numbers, and as we know already the mobile numbers are having 10 digits and that mobile number must start with 7 or 8 or 9 followed by 9 digits. Yes, it is starting with 7 or 8 or 9, but next 9 digits must be there. Then how to write the program? It's so easy. We import the RE module, then we have one list, all the 10 digits, starting with 7, starting with 1, starting with 9, starting with 8, starting with 4, starting with 1 but only 3 digits, starting with 9 but only 4 digits. And for I in list, it extract the data items from this list one by one and see the regular expression written by me. In square bracket I have written 7 to 9, that any of the digits from 7 to 9. But how many digits? Only one. See here, flower bracket means only one digit. That pattern needs to start with one digit from 7 to 9 followed by what? 0 to 9. 0 to or 0 to 9. That pattern, first that pattern may start with 7 or 8 or 9. 7 to 9 means what? 7 or 8 or 9. That pattern needs to match with 7 or 8 or 9, one digit, followed by 9 digits. Those 9 digits might be any digits from 0 to 9. That means one digit has 7 or 8 or 9. 9 digits has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 1 plus 9 how much? 10. From which one I am trying to match? From I. First time I will be this value. Whether this pattern starts with 7, yeah, followed by 9, yeah, this number will be taken, this number is printed. Okay, next 1 starts with 7 to 9, no. 9, 7, 3 starts with this one, yeah, followed by 9 digits, yes. 8, yeah. 4, no. It starts with 1, no. It starts with 9 but not followed by 9 digits. That's why we won't get. Like that, that will be extracted one by one, and first one will be checked. If it is there, we print with one space between that. This is how to extract the mobile number from the given list of data elements. This is what it is telling to a machine now. Only one digit from this, only 9 digits from this. Now you have understood. What do you mean by okay? It matches n or more characters. Means 2 is there, no? Match 2 must be there only once or more. Means it matches 425, 4225, 42225, 422222225, because one comma has been written here. Okay. N comma m means what? It matches 425, 4225, 42225. 2 might be there only once, 2 might be there only twice, 2 might be there only 3 times. This is the minimum times, this is the maximum times. Matches at least n and at most m occurrences of regular expression. And pipe matches either A or B, hello or hi. It will match hello or hi. I just only explained the date example, no? Last. Matches exactly 2 digits. Matches exactly n or more digits. It will match exactly 2 digits. It will match exactly n. It will match exactly n digits. Okay. And it will match n or more digits because comma has been written. It will match 3 or more digits. And matches minimum n, maximum 4 digits. Okay. Matches non-digits. It will match other than digits. Other than digits, and followed by one space, followed by one space, and slash d digits. It will match hello. Hello is non-digits. Then one space. Afterwards digits. Any string starting with no digits followed by digits. Okay, followed by digits. Okay, this is what. And slash a matches beginning of the string. This hi will be matched at the beginning of the string. Slash z hi will be matched at the end of the string. And slash n slash t matches the new line character and tabs. I hope I explained in hurry. Okay, no problem. These are all the regular expressions supported by Python. You can write the program by using these regular expressions. I run that mobile program once again and I will show you. Come back. Already I have written this program for you. File name is mobile validation, a program that validates a mobile number that needs to start with 7 or 8 or 9 followed by 9 digits. Now we have the list of mobile numbers. Some mobile number starts with 7 or 8 or 9, others no, followed by 9 digits, and that pattern needs to, it will match the pattern that starts with 7 or 8 or 9, only 1 digits, followed by 9 digits. Those 9 digits might be in between 0 to 9.